that you fill. He says, first of all, you have a position of a worshiper. See, you have a position as a worshiper. And I will teach you how to worship, saith the Lord. I will teach you how to worship in the morning and in the evening, in at noon and at night. I will teach you to be a true worshiper at all times, saith the Lord. That's your present condition, that your physical attire, that your social standing shall not be able to interfere with, but I will teach you to worship, that you may be elevated in your societal standing. You will be elevated in your workplace. You will be elevated in the eyes of men and of most places. You will be elevated in heaven because you are my daughter. I have called you before the foundation of the earth. I have made you in my likeness and in my image, and I have given you an image that is different to that of your partner, of your male, an image that carries my anointing and my power and my purpose, saith the Lord.
Come on.
Yes.